We are acquiring quite the pile of old parts that we're gonna go scrap. Let's go down here and check out what we're blasting today. Got the new front axle down here, and the fifth wheel. Oh, and an air tank also. As we're painting, parts filtering in. Drums, bags, shoes, shocks, chambers, front wheel hubs. Yeah, lots of parts, lots of new parts. Also got some new fuel tank straps over there, so more to come. Pretty good progress today on 359. Got the frame all painted, first coat of paint. Put a second coat of paint on tomorrow. Let's go down and check it out here, see what she looks like. Lights turned on. There she is, looking pretty good. Have a look-see. Still a little on the tacky side. She'll really look good after a second coat tomorrow. But yeah, looking good. Kind of use some cardboard tubes to mask over our bolts there. Little anti-corrosion washers. I think the next coat of paint we're also going to throw the drums on and get a coat of paint on those also. So be pretty interesting to see it. She's done. We did go ahead and paint the bottom side of the cab also, just because it was pretty easy to do so. Kind of gives some extra layer of protection to everything. So yeah, she'll really look good tomorrow after second coat. Been pretty busy, so I wasn't really able to video too much of the painting process, but we got her all done. Turned out pretty nice, I think. Did go ahead and throw a coat on the outside of my drums too, just because keep them from rusting around that lip. Yeah, pretty decent. Definitely keep it looking good for years to come. So yesterday I did. It was a really nice day yesterday, and ended up getting this stuff outside painted too. My front axle, what's gonna be my primary air tank, my drive shafts, and fifth wheel. So pretty happy with everything. Ready to get this front axle swapped though. A little better look now with all the sheets off. Looking pretty spiffy. Hoping to polish this red up and maybe clear coat over the top of it. And I might either chrome the air cleaner or paint it black and do the same with the power steering reservoir over here. Kind of make it match. But just mostly to kind of break up the red a little bit. So, turned out pretty nice. Getting the new brakes put on. New drums. Just putting the last set of shoes on. Got some new brake chambers after this. Over here at the shop on a Sunday, need to get the airbags mounted, and lack of basically not wanting to wait on getting some studs. Just grab some all thread and make some bottom studs out of stainless hardware. So get these made up, put on the truck. Got the short crew on this job. So close to a Sunday afternoon workday. Got all the bags on, chambers on, shocks on. Got a couple tires on the back there, new tires. Ready to set the driveline in it now. Then I'm ready to flip this thing around and see about doing the front axle swap. Pretty happy so far. Ready to get this dang thing back on the road. Driveline all reinstalled, torque down, carry bearer in. Man, I'm ready to drive this thing. Still a little ways off.